I'm looking at my notes. Okay. Hey guys, so it is Halloween, which means Inktober is finally over, and I wanted to let you know how it went. So I ended up being able to draw 27 out of the 31 prompts, although I only posted, I think, like 24 of them. There were like a few that I just didn't like that much, and I was kind of busy that day, so I didn't really bother posting them. I'm pretty proud of myself for how many that I did, considering I was in New York for part of October and I was still able to do a couple of them. And I think what really helped me was that this year I sketched and inked the drawing the day before. So I was like trying to always be one step ahead so that I could post my drawing in the morning and not have to worry about it for the rest of the day. It also forced me to experiment with some different mediums. So I used a brush pen for like thicker lines, a micron pen for really thin lines, a white gel pen because I messed up a lot, a black color pencil because I like the texture, a watercolor pencil because I like the texture, but also if I didn't like the texture, I could just add water to it and would look a bit smoother. this liquid ink thing, and a watercolor brush. I also use Bristol paper, but I don't know if it's really that great for watercolor, for if you want to use watercolors. I think what made me a little bit more successful this year also was that I stopped caring about the number of likes that I got. So like a couple years before, I only did like 3 or 4 drawings before I gave up because those drawings never got as much likes as my regular posts, which were more colorful, and so I just like lost motivation. But this year I really decided to ignore the number of likes that I got and strictly focus on just strictly focus on doing the best job that I could, and it ended up not affecting my likes. Like I definitely had favorites that nobody else seemed to like, and there were popular ones that I was surprised were popular. But I really liked posting new art every day. I think my biggest lesson is posting new art every day increases your engagement and your followers. Like I just hit 20,000 followers, which is really cool. And I think I was more successful this year just because I stopped caring about what other people thought as much and focused more on what I was proud of making. So without further ado, I wanted to just flip through my Inktober posts with you, and I hope you like it. you so much for watching. I try to post maybe like twice a month. That seems to be a schedule that I can handle at the moment. So my next video is going to be another Critique Me Yanon video. And if you would like me to critique your art, you can tag your Instagram posts with hashtag CritiqueMeYanon on Instagram, and that way I can find them and maybe you will be featured in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Happy Halloween!